Hello guys, welcome back to Wonderful Legend. Today we are back here with another brand new drone flight. So without further ado, let's take off. So we are in Leyton in East London, in the London borough of Waltham Forest. So without further ado, let's take off. We're in E10, so let's get the drone up in the sky. And then we'll just zip around. We'll do a 360-degree photo. It's a bit windy today, but we haven't got a sunny day like this for a long time. And it was sunny a few days ago, but it was very strong winds, so I didn't fly on that day. But today, even though it's a bit windy, it's a bit more calm than the rest of the days. So yeah, let's do a 360-degree photo, then we'll just zip around. All right, let's just zip around. So let's just you see at what speed the drone goes. Alright, let's just go down. We'll go down this area. We'll see what's down here. There's a bit of wind. See what's down here. Actually, you know what? Let's go the other side because the wind's facing the other way. Look at that. Nice little neighbourhood shot of the neighbourhood. Get a shot of the hood. Look at that. Then we'll go towards this side as well. We'll see what's on this side. So we've got the main side of Leyton. So I'm flying from a place called Abbott's Park. Let's go to this little triangle over here. Just there around there. There's a bit of strong wind now that the drone's encountering. Like the wind's only like 16 miles an hour, but I didn't know it would be this strong. I forgot how strong it was. I remember the same thing happened when I flew in North Acton. I saw the wind gust was 60 miles an hour, but then I didn't realise how strong that actually is for the drone. Like, when I'm standing here, it doesn't feel that strong. But I guess the drone can handle winds, like what it's doing right now. It just can't handle too much strong winds. So it's not flying in a straight line as well. And the battery's going to die faster as well. We're going to burn the battery faster. We even got a shop right over here. Car park. Let's see what's in this car. It's a Tesco car park. Let's go towards down there, down this junction. We're just going towards the wind, that's the problem. Good thing is that when we come back, we're going to come back in tailwind. Alright, the wind's really strong now. It's like a windy day. I'm not sure how this happened. I'm questioning whether I should have run my drone out today or not. but we're not going to get weather like this. It's going to be even more windy in the next coming days, so that's why I thought of doing a drone flight today. Yeah, it's windy. It's in early March as well, so these shops have nice colours. Look at that. What else can we get shot of? Oh man, that's the gimbal. What have we got down here? We've got a area down there. Good thing is that we're going in tailwind now. Let's bring the drone back now. So the drone is experiencing winds again. See, when I walked towards here, it was not really that windy. It was like really calm. And I've charged my other battery to do a second drone flight. But I might consider not doing it. I might see. I'll see if the winds die down. It's like really strong. It's like a windy day. I'm not sure how this occurred. But one thing's for sure, the drone's getting help from the wind, so we should be good.
No, hold it.
Let's go to the area down here. Let's see what's down here. Got Leyton Midland Road. That's the station. I was gonna fly here, but I didn't know where the entrance is because it's a bigger area to like take off from. But I didn't know where the area is. Plus, this area is closer to the station as well. Look, we've got train at the London Overground. Coming towards the station right now. Look at that. Moving completely parallel to the train. See, I don't know what happened there. It's the wind just picked up. It literally picked up as I came here, which is annoying. What I might do, I might just come here instead and just fly a little bit lower down. Look at that big cloud, look at that. That looks insane, look at that. So in that area it's cloudy. Well, here it's sunny. It's coming here actually, so look at that, it's coming here. We're getting the big cloud, we're getting the big shade. So I'm not going to get a sunny drone flight anymore for a bit. I don't know how long it's going to last, but let's make the most out of it, innit? Yeah, the clouds come here now. Where the drone is, it's sunny. Look at that. Cloud chaser. It's actually insane, look, the contrast. So yeah, it's sunny on the north side though, look. Look at that amazing shot. Yeah, drone's struggling in the wind now. That's why I'm not going to go far because it's risky. The drone can get stuck in one area. Weather's really interesting though, look at that. Let's continue going this side. I mean, we're going in headwind, so I guess when we come back we shouldn't have trouble coming back, right? Let's see what that area is down here. So look at that. What's that building down here? It's getting cloudy in that area now. Where else can we go? Let's get a sideways shot of this area. Really interesting weather, look at that. See, a big cloud just appeared. Let's go to where it's sunny. The drone's even struggling coming back as well. I don't know, it's struggling going to and coming back. Makes no sense. I think because the wind's actually going north and we're going from east to west. So it doesn't matter. If I go north, when you come back to the side, it's gonna start to struggle a lot. I don't know how long this drone flight is now, because we've only got 5 minutes of battery remaining. 6 minutes. We'll just keep getting a static shot of this area down here. Look at that, where it's sunny. You know what, let's follow the cloud. That's actually a sick shot. We're following the cloud, literally. So when it gets sunny on the other road, it's going to be sunny, watch. Look at that, that's sick, innit? We're following the clouds. Let's come back now because we're not going to go too far. Just like that, the wind stopped. Parked right here where we're flying from. Where can we fly from now? The weather is actually really unexpected. Let's get a shot of this area down here. We've been down here. Let's go down here, we haven't been here before. Look at that. Follow the cloud. Alright, let's come back now. It's getting cloudy now, so I guess it's a good time to land. Look at that. Let's get a nice shot of the local area. Just get a shot of the bus while coming back. What I want to do, I want to get a local shot of the area down here. Look at that. Let's get a local shot of the area. Get a shot of this area down there. Alright, we'll land now. Let's bring the drone away from the mic. The birds are getting shook. Birds are getting shook. That's crazy. The birds are attacking it. I didn't want to hit the birds with the drone. No.
Brother,
Yeah?
is that DJI?
Yes.
Nice. What one?
Mini 3 Pro.
Mini 3 Pro?
Yeah.
When did you buy it?
I bought it like 2 years ago.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it, yeah. Yeah, like I make content online.
Do you do plane spotting?
Plane spotting, yes.
Just giving you a subscribe.
Oh, thank you, man.
No worries, mate. Take care, yeah?
See you, man.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Cheers. Bye. Anyway, that was my amazing drone flight here in Leyton in E10, East London. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.